Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on December the 15th, 2020. Apple goes to build 30% more iPhones in 2021. Apple Inc. plans to produce up to 96 million iPhones in the first half of 2021, up nearly 30% from the previous year, as reported Tuesday. The company has asked suppliers to produce 96 million iPhones, including the latest iPhone 12 series, as well as older iPhone 11 and SE, though shortage of key parts could jeopardize the goal. This would mark a 20% increase from 2019, though the goal would be regularly reviewed and revised in response to any changes in consumer demand. A preliminary annual forecast that the iPhone maker shared with its suppliers suggests that it expects to produce up to 230 million iPhones in 2021, including both older and newer models. EU sets rules and 6 to 10% fines for US tech giants. Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Alphabet block Google may have to change their business practices in Europe or face hefty fines ranging from 6 to 10% under new draft EU rules to be announced Tuesday. The rules are the 27-nation bloc's most serious attempt to curb the power of the American tech giants that control the data storage and online platforms that thousands of companies and millions of Europeans rely on. They also know that EU's frustration with antitrust cases against tech giants, particularly Google, which critics say has not solved the problem. Sets of rules called the Digital Markets Act and the Digital Services Act, which impose fines of up to 10% of annual turnover for online gatekeepers that have been found to be in violation of new regulations. Asian market drops due to COVID-19 vaccine fatigue. Asia-Pacific stock indexes declined Tuesday morning as tighter restrictions over the COVID-19 epidemic in many countries forced investors to take a break in recent optimism about the vaccine. The U.S. stock market was mixed due to decline in optimism over the likely passage of the latest stimulus package. China's Shanghai Composite Index was down 0.50%. Industrial production and retail sales data in China were mixed, with the country's industrial production up 7%. Retail sales rose 5% in November. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index fell 0.76%. Japan's Nikkei 225 Index fell 0.20% as investors digested the rise in business sentiment in Japan. Meanwhile, Australia's ASX 200 Index fell 0.26% due to escalating tensions with China over reports that China has officially banned imports of Australian coal. Biden finally elected as new U.S. president. By decision of the Electoral College, Joe Biden was elected the new president of the United States and Kamala Harris was elected vice president. According to the latest data, 306 people voted for Biden and 232 for incumbent President Donald Trump. To win the U.S. presidential election, you need to get at least 270 electoral votes. The inauguration ceremony for Biden, at which he will take office, will be held in Washington on January the 20th. Meanwhile, Trump has not yet conceded defeat and is challenging the results in some states, but no court has sided with him.